Welcome back to our class, grade 10 core mathematics, solving quadratic expressions. The question there says that simplify the expression which we have in the numerator. It is 3x squared minus 4xy plus y squared, and what we have in the denominator is 9x squared minus y squared. Now, when we want to start with the numerator, let us write our numerator by solving numerator. So in the numerator we have 3x squared minus 4xy plus y squared. Now, this one, so we are going to look at two numbers, two factors of which their summation is going to be negative 4 and their product is going to be 3. Now, the sum of those two factors, we are going to look at those two factors of which their sum must be negative 4 and their product is going to be 3 times 1 is going to be 3. So let us take those two numbers, those two factors of which their sum is equals to negative 4. Now, what are those two factors? So for the two factors we have there, we're going to have that negative 1 and negative 3. Negative 1 and negative 3 are the two factors of which their summation is going to be negative 4, and their product of the two factors is going to be 3, of which negative 1 times negative 3 is equals to positive 3. Now, we move ahead and say, let us now arrange in pairs. So what we are going to arrange in pairs in the numerator, we are going to say that 3x squared then we have arranged in pairs. Now let us factor out. We say 3 now from there, since we have a negative, we are going to affect this positive sign, that bracket. Now we say it's going to be, let us take what is common, y into x minus y. So like terms together, 3x minus y, x minus y, the same as this one. So we are finished with what is there in the numerator. Now let us go to denominator. So in the denominator we have 9x squared minus y squared. Now in this case, when we have 9x squared minus y squared, which means that it was something of a squared minus b squared, which can give us what we have, a plus b, a minus b. So we're going to factor out this one in terms of this expression of this kind. Now, when we have 9x squared minus y squared, so we have said it's like a squared minus b squared. So we're going to work out the square root of this side and also the square root of what? This side. Now, which means we're going to say that this 3x minus y. So the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of x squared is what? X. the square root of 9 y squared, sorry, is going to be y. And then we have 3x plus y. So this is what we have in the denominator. We have expressed this one in terms of a, b, then a minus b. Now let us simplify. We say what we had in the numerator is 3x minus y over what we have in the denominator, 3x minus y, 3x plus y. Then from there, let us now simplify. Simplify, it means that we are going to cancel out some variables, some numbers. Like this one is the same as this one. So we have what? Simplified. Then at the end of the day, our answer is going to be x minus y over 3x plus y. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more mathematics lessons.